Welcome to BMW Ignite, where silence isn't empty, it's controlled. This is the BMW M70 xDrive, finished in a deep metallic tone that almost hides its aggression. From the first glance, it feels deliberate. Step inside, and everything softens, until it moves. Then suddenly, it doesn't glide, it surges. Not loud, not dramatic, just inevitable. This isn't about speed alone. It's about how effortlessly it takes over the moment. Would you feel it, or just watch it? It draws your attention into the finest details. That illuminated grille doesn't just glow, it announces presence. Every angle feels deliberate, almost controlled. And as the light shifts, the design begins to breathe differently. It's not trying to stand out anymore. It already has. The question is, are you still watching it? Or has it already started watching you? It doesn't rush to impress. It lets the details take control. Light settles across the surface, and suddenly every line feels sharper, more precise. The front presence doesn't demand attention, it quietly commands it. There's a precision here that doesn't need explanation. As reflections shift, the design reveals deeper layers without ever trying. And the longer you look, the more it feels like this isn't just styling, it's intention made visible. Precision engineering meets a shadow-drenched aesthetic. Notice how light glides across that matte finish, tracing lines that redefine electric dominance. Every angle of this BMW M70 xDrive feels deliberate, a masterclass in aerodynamic aggression. It's not just a machine, it's a silent predator poised for the horizon to break. When 610 horsepower is at your command, the road doesn't just open, it submits, ready to feel the surge. Shadows gather around the wheel arch, where a subtle badge rests quietly, catching just enough light to reveal itself without asking attention. The left side begins to unfold, a clean half profile that feels composed, every surface holding its form with quiet precision, letting the shape reveal itself in motion rather than force. As it settles on the rear left, the lines tighten, the surface pulls inward, and the light starts tracing the structure more sharply. Lower down, the rear section comes alive with depth, the subtle camera motion revealing layers you wouldn't notice at first glance. A small shift brings the X badge into focus, like it's breathing with the movement. Then the M70 mark appears, held steady, minimal, yet carrying weight without needing exaggeration. Back to the X detail again. Now from a new angle, the reflection shifting, making it feel almost unfamiliar. The camera lingers longer this time, allowing the surface and light to interact naturally without interruption. A closer look follows, narrowing down to the tailgate area. And finally, the rear opens up, revealing the interior space. Calm, wide, and quietly functional, ending the sequence on a note of understated capability. Step inside, and it doesn't feel like a car anymore. It feels like a shift into something way more advanced. That M Sport wheel instantly catches you. Thick, sculpted like it's built to be held with intent. And then this curved display just wraps toward you. It's not just big, it pulls you right into it. Navigation here doesn't guide you, it almost predicts where you're about to go. Every surface, every detail, it all feels carefully designed. Nothing accidental. Alright, let's see how this thing actually moves. Look at this matte black beast. This isn't just an SUV. It feels like a presence that takes over the moment it enters the frame. The attitude is just unreal. Gliding past these palms, it almost feels unreal how silent it moves. But underneath, there's this constant tension, like it's holding back something serious. The way those lines catch the sunlight, sharp in one moment, fluid in the next. Aggressive, elegant, and completely electric at its core. See how it sits. That stance isn't just design, it's control. Wide, planted, and carrying enough force to launch forward in an instant. Reflections start sliding across that frozen finish. And suddenly everything feels more intense, more alive. That illuminated grille glow hits differently here. Subtle, futuristic, almost like it belongs to something ahead of its time. The moment you push it, it doesn't build speed, it delivers it instantly. That surge hits hard, like all that hidden power releases in one clean motion. And even as it climbs, it stays completely composed. No drama, just smooth, controlled acceleration, like it's glued to the road. What you're looking at is the M70, pushing insane power through all four wheels. So here's the real question. Would you actually choose this kind of instant electric surge over a traditional V8 experience?